let's discuss ticketing platforms. Have you ever used Humanitix to put your event on? Let me show you how. So first of all, Humanitix is a nonprofit that derives 100% of its profits from booking fees to charitable causes, mostly to education programs for disadvantaged children. Let me also tell you how I got here. So basically, I was using the old EB for an event, and in the state of California, you're not allowed to mention the word raffle. It's a big fucking deal. So they took my event down, even though I edited the information, but it was coming up, people trying to purchase tickets. It was a whole big to-do, and they were really getting on my nerves. And so I was like, okay, there has to be some other platform in which people can purchase these tickets. So somehow, and something that made sense and was meaningful. And then I came across Humanitix, and I have never gone back. As you can see, I've used it for a handful of events. It's super easy to work with. I'm actually going to show you how to do this right now. This was just needing like the QR code for it. So it's super easy. Overview, orders and refunds. If you want that sort of thing, manage attendees, like you can get reporting information, of course. I'm actually just going to, I think what I'm going to do is duplicate this event because we have some other things happening at Tails this year, and it just is so easy to duplicate, and then I can edit that information from there. Okay, so from the left-hand side of the screen, just going over here to this guy, we're going to duplicate the event. We're going to change the title of it. Okay, so then I went to page design, uploaded my images here. You can select light or dark mode. I went with light. I actually chose an RSVP because this is only RSVP. You can actually see like a mobile image of it if you want. It'll give you a preview anyway, but we're going to save that. Okay, so page content. It's really cool. They kind of updated this, and there you can add like description, and then you can also do agenda. There's other items that you can do. Obviously, the mobile thing gets longer as you go. And then tickets and ticket types. Again, super easy. You can do group tickets, all kinds of stuff. This is actually just an invite only, so you can select the price. You can do obviously the capacity. There's like additional settings where if you want them to go on sale at a certain time, you can hide the tickets until a certain time. You can use different images. One thing that I really love is that you can have donations. So this is just an option to add a organization to like the checkout process, that if you want a portion of something donated, and I've used this for a handful of my events, like when we did the barware swap in LA, we added the Trevor Project to here. So cool stuff like that. So as long as we're already hosting these events and having people go to Eventbrite and Luma and Partyful, and those are really lovely things. But I also think, why not make it intentional? Why not give back? Why not make sure the service fees are going to something that actually matters? Why not include an organization or a charity for donation in your process? You have all the same options for, messaging people who are coming to the event. It's just going to be in a little bit different format. So definitely check out Humanitix. XOXO Gossip Girl.